Lips. Everyone's got 'em.
You should stay away from absolute.
Fine. Based on data I've collected via my eyeballs over my lifetime, I can say with 90% confidence that everyone has lips.
Very good.
Editor's note, that joke was for me and me alone. I hope you got a kick out of it, but if not, oh well, I did, so it did its job. Anyway, statistics joke aside, lips. They're pretty dang important. Lots of communication happens with them. Obviously, lips are so important that you can see them in all of my art. Okay, so depending on your style, you can get away with not drawing lips. That being said, I am here to show those of you who want to include lips in your art how to do that. Even though quite a great deal of my characters I don't draw lips for, I still have a few that have. These lips are pretty basic and can be broken down into 3 parts: upper lip, bottom lip, and expression. What each of these characters share in common is that their upper lip is shaped like an M, a loose and flowing M, but an M nonetheless. You can play around with the height and width of the M in order to create unique individuals. The second aspect is the bottom lip. I always draw it as a wide U. This U should connect to about the same place that your M does. Now for the third part of the lips, expression. What I mean by this is, are they smiling, frowning, yelling? The expression is going to be the line that acts as the touching points for the upper and bottom lips. Put these 3 things together in different ways and you can have a lot of unique looking lips. The last style is the way that I draw lips when I want a quick and easy way to suggest that the lips are there. If that doesn't work for what you want, you can step it up a level. We can more accurately represent the proportion of the lips and take a look at the anatomy. These are my lips. Great photo, I know. In order to draw lips, I usually start by drawing a funny face. 2 big eyes, a nose, an open mouth. At least that's kind of what this little setup reminds me of. I'm not really sure how else to explain. This will give you a guide of the top of the Cupid's bow to the bottommost part of the lip. You can see that by drawing the little face, I was able to accurately draw my lip shape without even looking at the photo. A reference is always better, but the little face sketch is a solid start. After you've laid out your base color using the sketch as a guide, it's time to shade. The seam where the upper and bottom lip touch will be the darkest part, and as you move up, the lip will get lighter. And for the bottom lip, the opposite. The further down you go, the lighter it will get, right until the very bottom where you'll have a little bit more shade. I shade lips a lot like how I shade hair. The wrinkles in the skin are very thin. I'm sure there are more organized, better ways to indicate the wrinkle on the lips, but if there are, I haven't learned them yet. Hopefully this is somewhat helpful. These 2 different levels of realism are meant to sort of act as a ladder. Start with the lowest rung and work up. Or ignore that completely and just jump around. I'm not the art believer. Have fun with it. Get those lips looking nice. I'll see you all next week. Bye.